Well, it's a terrible day. The weather outside's awful. It started off nice and now it's pouring down. Anyway, following on from my last video where I installed a new doorbell, you know, one of those video camera doorbells. This was by a company called ieGeek, very similar to Ring and other such things. And I was so impressed that while they had a sale on, I thought, you know what, I'm going to get us a nice security system for the cabin. So I went back and bought not one camera, well I did at first, and when I seen how good it was, I bought 2 more security cameras, exactly the same, so that was 3 in total. Let's have a look. This is what I bought. It's a ieGeek wire-free PTZ battery security camera with solar panel, and it's the S5 model. Let's have a look what's in the box. Before we dive into what's in the box, the first thing I recommend you do is read the instruction manual for the ieGeek S5. It's very good. Everything's clearly explained. It tells you how to get up and running, how to get the camera going, how to download the app, open your account, link the camera to your account and the app. You can go for the cloud storage option where you pay a monthly fee, or you can do what we did. The offer we got, there was a free memory card with each camera, and then you don't need the cloud storage and there's no monthly fee. You can watch in real time. Any video that's recorded you can download to your phone, and you know it's brilliant. It's you can adjust the camera using the app, you can alter the position of the camera, so everything is really clearly explained in the user manual. Read this first and then, well, now we'll see what else is in the box. Inside the box we have a couple of packets of these, raw plugs and screws for mounting the brackets. We also have a Type-C charging cable because this needs to be fully charged for the first time before you put it up or mount it up onto the wall or wherever you're going to have it. And then we have the camera itself. It's got the solar panel on top, which is a super duper technology one. Apparently it performs really well even in poor sort of sunlight conditions, so hopefully that's going to be true. I went for the one where the solar panel is mounted on top. You can detach the solar panel and move it somewhere else, and then you have your 2 antennas for Wi-Fi, one either side, and you put them into place. And there's the camera itself. It's got lights that come on at night if there's any movements, movement sensors, infrared for the nighttime vision, and this is movable with the app. You can, once you fire the app, you can rotate this camera thing to wherever you desire to have it, I suppose. And then on the back we see the speaker for when you talk to people. There'll be a microphone in here somewhere, probably in the front somewhere. Here we have your reset button, on off button, and a slot for a micro SD card. Just close that again, and then on this side here, just undo that plug, you have the Type-C charging slot and a little light that blinks to show you that it's charging. It flashes red while it's charging, and when it's fully charged it turns blue. And there's the Type-C cable that goes in from the solar panel, and it'll go here into the camera so as the solar panel can keep the internal battery charged up. Quite a neat looking thing. In the box is a bracket to wall mount the camera to where you want it, and there it is in place. They give you all the screws and raw plugs to achieve that. So now all we've got to do is get up the ladder and click the camera into the mounting bracket and then line it up to get the view that we want. And that's the camera fully installed. This is the sort of thing you'll see when there's any movement sensed, and this is what you see at night time. The light is activated and it films in colour. Image quality is HD. This is a view from camera number 2 covering the side entrance, and as you can see, Rocky's looking forward to his walk. This is a view from later on in the night. The light is activated, starts filming what's happening in colour. Rocky's really happy to see me. So that's 3 ieGeek S5 security cameras with solar panel installed. The second 2, I removed the solar panel and put it on the back facing wall of the cabin because that gets the most sun, and the cameras were mounted side to side of the cabin. I didn't show the third one, that'll remain a mystery, but every entrance, every way onto our property and every doorway is completely covered by these cameras. The app works flawlessly. The solar panels are doing what they say. They do work well even in low light conditions. So that's 3 security cameras and security video doorbell, and the whole lot included free memory cards, so you didn't have to do any cloud storage, and the whole lot cost £165. I recommend the ieGeek stuff. It's a cheaper alternative to Ring and the quality is just as good. The best thing to do though is go to their website, buy direct from them, don't buy from a third party off eBay or anywhere like that, and just keep going back to the website because they do have sales on quite often and you get fantastic deals, nearly half price and a lot of the time. So ieGeek security system cameras and doorbells, fantastic, fully recommended. See you next time.